guys, today we talk about how can you sync calendar on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on your name. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, keep going down. So then you click here on account settings. When you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just switch into open video. So then you click here on account preferences. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and you go down. So you keep going down here and you click here on sync calendar. So then you come to this list here, you come here to calendar, just click on remove all. So then you click on continue here, then it's going to remove video on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.